Here's my 50-yard range, or the equivalent. I'm shooting downhill at an estimated angle of 25 degrees. I measured 60 yards to the target. 60 yards times the cosine of 25 degrees is 906. That gives us 54.5 yards. This ensures I'm not cheating by shooting downhill. Even if the angle was 30 degrees, which I don't think it is, that 60 yards times 866 equals 52 yards. Of course, gravity has the same effect at 50 yards as it does here, and it's the main effect other than wind on the same bullet. I'm about midway from my shooting station to the target. Since I'm shooting downhill, the round will bury itself in the ground, and the ground rises behind it. And there's a mile or two till the next structure or road. I'm shooting almost directly south. Of course, not the best orientation. It's now late January. I get tree shade for most of the morning. Of course, that's going to go away as the sun rises higher during the summer. But as in the afternoon, I have a shade. Keeps the sun off the rear sight. And I'll have my front sight in the sun. And I think that'll be best for this particular target. So next, of course, is the .45 caliber. 50 yards. Shooting the once shot 4.54 round ball, sized through the .433 hole, resizing hole. Single piece cross patch, double piece, sorry, cross patch, 40 grains of Pyrex P, cross patch with Crisco, and that should be next. Thank you for watching.